ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः श्रीमन्नारायणीयम् ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः दशकं 58 श्लोका 9 कुहरतलनिविष्टं त्वां गरिष्ठं गिरीन्द्रः शिखिकुलनवकेका काकुभिः स्तोत्रकारी स्फुटकुटजगदम्बः तोमपुष्पाञ्जलिं च प्रविदधनुभेजे देवगोवर्धनोऽसौ. Word by word meaning. Hey Deva, O effulgent Lord, Asau, that, Girindraha, Govardhanaha, great mountain Govardhana, Kuhara Tala Nivishtam, residing in its caves, Garishtham, most honored, Twam, thee, Shiki Kula Navakeka Kakubihi, Shiki Kula, the peacocks, Navakekaha, the pleasant cooings, Kakubihi, with the hymns of praise, with hymns in the form of the pleasant cooings of the peacocks, Stotrakari, praising, Sputa Kuta Jagadambaha, Toma Pushpanjalim, Sputa, in bloom, Kuta Jagadamba, Kutaja and Kadamba flowers, Stoma, a heap, Pushpanjali, a shower of flowers, a shower of heaps of Kutaja and Kadamba flowers in full bloom, Pravidadat, making, Anubheje cha, worshipped. Full meaning. O effulgent Lord, the great mountain Govardhana worshipped thee, the most honored one, who didst reside in its caves, by praising thee with hymns in the form of the pleasant cooings of the peacocks, and showering on thee heaps of Kutaja and Kadamba flowers in full bloom. Note: the Upanishads say that Brahman is to be meditated upon as residing in the cavity of the heart. This is figuratively expressed here by saying that the mountain worshipped the Lord residing in its caves. Om Tat Sat.